here's interesting app which is climbing in charts, which is called Radio Garden Live. So let's just install it. So just tap get and install it easily on iPhone with Touch ID or Face ID and stuff like that. And here you can listen to over 25,000 live radio stations across the globe. Tap any green dot to listen radio in that city, connect to distant cultures and local communities. And that's the whole idea of the app. I think it's like a legal app, so you can listen to open stations which you can listen anyhow. And the idea is of the app is that you can listen to thousands of these stations around the globe, and you can explore different music styles, different cultures and all of that, and you can have a smooth international radio experience. It also says that the radio will keep playing even if your phone goes to sleep. So yeah, it's an interesting experience. And then to use your location, and then you can start to listen to some radios and all of that, and then you're just being redirected, start listening to that radio. So here you can see, for example, in Europe how many stations are there, and then you can just redirect, you can move around, and then it selects and plays your radio. That's kind of like a fun app. Then you have favorite stations here. You can browse some of the stations, you can search, you can go to settings. Also you can upgrade here and then remove all visual advertising. You can also submit your own radio station and in this way promote your station. Then you can just browse around, create playlists. So yeah, this is just like a quick overview to have an idea what this app is all about. You don't even need to have an account or anything like that. You can restore your purchase, but yeah, hope that is helpful.